Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you are all fine. This is science class grade 5. The topic is conductors and insulators. The materials or substances which can conduct electrical current easily are called conductors. For example, gold, copper and water. As we know that human body consists of almost 70% of water. So humans are good conductor of electricity. So we should be careful while touching electrical wires or electrical instrument with wet hands or bare feet. Second one is insulators. The materials or substances that do not allow an electric current to flow through them easily are called insulators, such as glass, plastic and rubber. Our next topic is how electricity gets to your homes. As we studied that electricity is electricity that is created in one place and then it runs along a conductor or is used somewhere else, such as in our homes, schools and in offices. But the question is, how does it get there? There are mainly 3 stages involved in getting electricity in homes, offices or in schools. These stages includes number 1 is generation, number 2 is transmission and number 3 is distribution. Okay students, you can see in the diagram, this is generation. These are the power plants where the electricity is being generated by 2 resources. The number 1 is renewable resources, which includes wind, water or solar power. The second is non-renewable resources such as coal, gas and oil. After the generation, the electricity is transmitted in a series of lines which are known as electricity grid. This electricity which is transmitted is too powerful for using in our homes, schools, factories or in offices. So firstly, it is sent to the substations where the power is reduced to a level, then it is used. The last step is distribution. After transmission, the electricity travels from the substation to its final destinations, such as in our homes, in offices, in factories, etc. Okay students, I hope you have understood the lecture. Now here are the 2 questions. The question number 1 is, what are conductors and insulators? What are conductors and insulators? You can search the answer from this page number 93. As I told you in the start, conductors are materials which can conduct electricity are called conductors, such as gold, copper and rubber, while insulators are materials which cannot conduct electricity, such as glass or plastic. The second question is, what is current electricity? How does it get to our homes? You can search the answer from this page number 94. These are the 3 stages which are involved in the conduction of electricity. Student, this is your task. You have to do these 2 questions on your notebooks. I hope you have understood the lecture well. Thank you.